I'm going to use this main camera so that you can see how advanced mask can be applied. This is the OBS advanced mask that we are looking for. You can change it to circle or square. Hello friends, today I want to show you how to use advanced mask, most especially when you are recording your videos. Assume that you have a YouTube project or any other project that you would like to display in a different way. This is one of the ways that you can use to display your project in when you're using advanced mask. Okay, let's go there and then I show you how actually you can do it without wasting much of your time. Now, before we go on, I need to first take you through how to actually download advanced mask and then install it onto your machine. Now let's go there and find out. Right there on your screen, on this screen, we are going to look for a browser. This is a browser that I have actually brought in that we are going to use to find out how we can download advanced mask. Then when you reach here, you go to OBS advanced mask. This project goes most especially when you are recording using OBS. If you are not using OBS, this will not actually work for you. Now let's go back and then we see you have to type in OBS advanced mask. OBS advanced mask. Then you hit enter. Then the moment you hit enter, OBS actually, it is going to take you to an OBS website. Then the moment you reach there, you'll have to choose which actually mask you're looking for. This is OBS advanced mask. I think you can see here, right here on your screen. This is the OBS advanced mask that we are looking for. Now you hit a click there. After clicking there, it is actually going to take you to advanced mask in OBS. Now look here. Advanced mask has this latest version, which is 1.54. This is actually the version that we are looking for. Assume that your machine doesn't have enough power, meaning that you have to lower the advanced mask version. Now in this case, we are going to use this one as our advanced mask. Now the moment you hit download here, then it will take you to another folder here. Now here we are going to see you can either download an installer right here. I think you can see. Right here you can download this installer. This is a Windows installer. Or if you don't want to download this one, you can download a zip file. Now for zip file, you must be well conversant with your laptop. You must know how to use your laptop. And then with an installer, it is easier to do it. And then you install it onto your machine. Now, after then you hit here, Windows. Then I think you can see right here, it has downloaded. But already I have it on my laptop, so I don't need to install it. Let me first show you here so that you can see what am I talking about. Look here. This is my my download folder, and then advanced mask is right here. I think you can see is here, advanced mask. So meaning that I don't need to install it on the machine because I already have it there. Now the moment you have it there, you have to double click and then you say open. The moment you open it, it is going to give you another window That means that you are going to use that particular window to install it. Now, after installing it, actually, it is going to look the way it is looking here. Now, after this process, what we're going to do, we are going to go into our OBS and we see how we can apply it, and then we mask what we want actually. There are some YouTube channels that I'm seeing which are using mostly actually advanced masks. Then I think you too, you can still apply it onto your channel. Now look here. I'm going to actually apply an advanced mask right here so that you can see. So if you want to confirm what you are doing, you go to tools here. I think you can see the word tools. The word tools here. To confirm that it has actually installed, you go to tools, then you go to, I think you can see plugin manager. From plugin manager, then you'll find out how many masks or how many softwares when you're using OBS that have actually installed onto your machine. These are the softwares that I've already installed on this machine that I'm actually displaying on your screen right there. Now, I have 3D effect, OBS advanced mask, OBS composite blur, and other. Now, in this case, we want to use advanced mask. I think you can see it has already downloaded and installed the machine successfully. Now, what we're going to do, I'm going to create another. I'm going to create. Now, look here. I'm going to use main cam here, right here. I'm going to use this main camera so that you can see how advanced mask can be applied in any video. Assume that you have a video that you want to mask out. Then in this particular image that I've actually shown, then I apply it here. I think you can see what it has done already. Now, this is our advanced mask window. What we are going to do, we are going to, I think you can try to look at the screen and find out what I'm trying to do. Now, when you reach here, we have two types of masks, the alpha mask and adjacent mask. Now, we need alpha mask, and then here you choose the shape, source, image, gradient. I think you can see. But for us, we want the shape. There are a lot, you can see them from here. Chroma key, whatever that you want to mask. Then we choose either a rectangle or what. You can see the heart. These are actually different styles. You can choose the triangle, rectangle. You can choose the heart. I think you can see. These are the masks that I'm trying to tell you. So you can change it and put it anywhere you want. I think you can see it, what it is doing right now. So if I want to change from this one, I go here and then I change shape. I may say eclipse. I think you can see what it has done. Then I may say regular polygon. I think you can see what it has done. Then you can say heart. I think you can see what it has done. Then again, you can see, you can change it to circle or square. I think you can see what it has done. Then assume that you are doing a tutorial. Then you change it, put it anywhere you want. Then you start teaching what you want. Let me first show you just a simple example of what I'm actually trying to show you. Let me use a circle here so that you may understand it clearly. I don't want to put some lots of complex stuff so that you'll also have to understand. Now, after putting the circle, I want to align it nicely so that it goes to center. Align it. You keep changing here. I think you can see right what I'm doing. Up, down, up, down. I think you have seen. So, and then you say, okay. Now you can change this one and put anywhere you want. You put here or here. You position it nicely right there. And then after, you put anything that you'd like to put on your back. Assume that I'm opening a certain window. Let me first open this window. Yes. Assume that I'm opening a YouTube. Assume that I'm opening this YouTube. Then here I'm going to add a window capture device. I think you can see what I'm trying to do. Window capture device here. I'm going to capture YouTube, which is already open. I believe right now you can see what I'm trying to do. Now you can see me nicely. This is my main cam. So you can change and put yourself anywhere so that you can react on anything that you are trying to teach. I think you can see what I'm doing. So you can minimize here. Yes, I want to minimize it so that you can see what I'm actually trying to do. Now, I think you are seeing my hand. So I can now teach whatever it is on my screen. This is what we call advanced mask. Now assume, yes, now I have put this color. I think you can see right there on the screen. Then you can even change more colors according to your preference. Yes, I have put blue. You can change all the colors that you really prefer. Now me, I have put this white color. You can change it and put anywhere so that you can do your tutorial very nicely. I think now you understand how to use advanced mask. You see, now I can teach you whatever that is on your screen when you are seeing me. My face is shown, and actually the video backside. I can even choose the video backside of me, and then you see how I can actually do it. Let me choose one video, and at least I play it so that you may know what it is. I think you can see right here. Assume that this is a video. I think yes, this is the video. You can see that it is playing. Now, if I choose the video, I can still play the video. You can see the video, and then I teach you what is going on the video. Okay. Now, according to what you have seen, what you have learned with the advanced mask, you can put it anywhere that you feel like. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I urge you to comment right there on your screen. You comment what you have not learned, you comment what you have not understood, so that I may come back and then I show you more that you have not recognized when you're watching this video. Or if you're willing, you can go back and rewatch the video so that you may understand what I'm trying to do on your screen. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I urge you to give me a like if you feel that what I'm teaching you is 100% working for you. Thank you very much. We meet again.